because if an RC pilot says he have never crashed, he's not an RC pilot. Enjoy, have fun, give this video a big like, stay subscribed to my channel, hit that little bell icon and turn on all the notifications so you can watch more RC crash videos. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Assalamualaikum, greetings, alishanmao here. I just flew my RS4 green, crashed, and turned out it actually was still okay even after crash. I just had to replace the blades and it was okay. But anyway, I borrowed the blades from this white one and flew that one. Now I borrowed the blade from the green one and put it back on white one because I want to practice a little bit of my 3D pyro flips. That is where I crash the most. Pyro flips are the most difficult one, man, and that's why I need a lot of practice for those. Okay. Oh, that was a mistake. Come back, come back, come back. Yeah. Stabilize yourself, and try again. I was too close to the ground. Getting close to the ground is not good. Oh! Oh, that was my bad. That was my bad. I knew it, I will crash. Should have stopped before, but hey, this is life of RC pilot. Now this one, I am sure, is not gonna just be the blades. I believe this one is much more than blades. Anyway, let's just take the blades off and see if we get lucky. Okay. Moment of truth. Let's see. Tail blade is okay, nice and smooth. Here's a little vibration. So I believe I have to replace, let me see. Man, I wish I had new blades. No, man. Hold on. Hold on. Now I see a little bit of vibration here. So yes, I have to replace the main shaft and maybe feathering shaft. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you love crashes, because I do love crashes, man. So today I had 2 crashes. One I got lucky, the second one maybe not much, but hey, it's not much parts to replace. Parts are cheaper. That's the best thing about GooSky RS4 helicopters, and in particular in general GooSky helicopters, parts are cheaper. So just one main shaft, feathering shaft, pair of main blades, and this will be back in the sky. But hey, do tell me before you go in video comments, and tell me, are my pyro flips improving or not? I mean, crash is crash. I knew I was going to. I kept on trying. You know what I found? I have that one point I have to stop. I don't know if others have or not, but I do have that one point I do have to stop. And if I cross that point and I don't stop, I crash. And we get these beautiful crash videos. So if I stop before that point, or when I'm reaching that point, I would land and go home with a helicopter that will fly again. Anyway, this is my life. This is RC Pilot's life. We should smile and say, yeah, baby, we crashed again. Because if an RC pilot says he have never crashed, he's not an RC pilot. Enjoy, have fun, give this video a big like, stay subscribed to my channel, hit that little bell icon and turn on all the notifications so you can watch more RC crash videos.